Hey Vanity Babes, welcome back to my channel. So sorry if I'm kind of like out of the shot. I don't have contacts on and I can't really see the screen and the monitor. We are doing my skincare routine. You guys have been asking for it. So many people comment on my skin all the time saying how nice and glowy it is. I'm going to show you guys what I've been using currently and different products I use to obtain smooth skin. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So first, I like to start off by using wipes to remove my makeup. I don't really even like this brand of wipes, but it was the only one they had at Ulta. I love the H2O Beauty wipes. These ones right here, I feel like are kind of dry, and I have to use like 5 wipes to get makeup off. But I'm just showing you guys that I use makeup remover wipes first, and then I go in with cleanser. So for cleanser, I love the Algenist Genius Ultimate Cleansing oil. So it starts off as like an oil, then you rub it in and it becomes like oilier. So this is really good for anti-aging. I know I don't like need anti-aging, but I've been doing anti-aging for like such a long time. But yeah, so then I also like mix it with a little bit of water and it creates like an emulsion, and it's kind of like a creamy consistency, and it really just like helps the skin. And then I just wipe it off with a rag, and then I go in with this cleanser I have been using. Oh, where's it at? Come on now. This one right here, the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castor Soap. So this one right here makes my face feel squeaky clean. It's like 100% organic. It has nothing but like natural oils in it, and it just makes your face feel really nice and clean. If you use this, you definitely have to moisturize after, or else you will feel so dry, but your skin feels so clean. And then I just take a wash rag and wash it off. And so next I exfoliate. So this is the Origins Rose Mask, and this one you can use the mask or an exfoliant. Either one is perfectly fine, but I didn't want to take up too much time for this video, so I just did it as an exfoliant and I mixed it with a little bit of water. And then I'm going to wash off with a rag. Usually if you do this as a mask, you can have it on in the shower. I would do it for about like 10 minutes, or else it'll get really hard and it's like hard to take off. So then I'm going to use a toner from Mario Badescu. I just take a cotton pad, and I really like to take this around my hairline because it gets like everything off. Like I always have so much problem with like buildup and gel like right in that area, so I usually like to like focus it in that area. And then y'all do not come for me and my edges. Don't come for me. That's all I'll say. And then for moisturizer, I love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I've been using this on and off for years, but it feels so good. It's probably one of the only drugstore moisturizers I'd recommend. And then we're going to go in with the spray toner. This is the Rose Water Toner from Kapari. It smells so freaking good. And then I put my glasses on. Skin's nice and clean. Look at her. Look at her. Ooh. Yes. We're glowing. And then we want to moisturize our lips, and that is the end. Alright, Vanity Babes, so that was the end of today's video. That was pretty much my skincare routine. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if there's anything y'all do that you want me to try. I have oily combination skin, mostly oily though, but a little dry on the chin area. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you, oh, my nose is itchy. If you have not already, also go ahead and leave me a comment down below of what you guys want to see. You guys have been giving me suggestions, and I am here to deliver. So, until next time, Vanity Babes, I love you guys, and bye.